Hey everyone, Six String Gamer here. This is a white Xbox update. I got another white Xbox, one that the eject button works. That's right. It works. Well, my best friend, who did the same friend who did the trade, some of my 360 games for what is now my PlayStation 2 collection. It's that same best friend. We've been friends since I was in middle school. He still had his original white Xbox. He wasn't sure if it was going to work or not, whether it was going to read discs or not. I told him, "Oh, I'm not too worried. You take good care of your consoles. I'm not worried. It's gonna work." He's kind of iffy on it, but it works. The only game that it won't read, because it's so damn scratched, and I mean scratched, and that's Black Ops 2. Let me show you guys. In the meantime, it works on it works on this Xbox, but I'll show you guys how scratched it is, which it's like, oh yeah, that's why it doesn't work. See all them scratches? Yeah, I can see why the console would struggle to be able to read it. Guys, I've had Black Ops 2 for a few years, and I got it used. So it was not by any means a brand new copy when I got it. It just needs to be cleaned. Or when I feel like playing it, I'll just switch the Xboxes, is all. That's all I need to do. But I just thought I'd let you guys know that. I now have an Xbox that just about reads all my games and has an eject button, which you definitely need those for when you're installing games and to eject it and put it in disc 2 and whatnot. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know that. I'm going to be doing some gameplay with my best friend, who is his YouTube name is StSubZero. But yeah. So, I'm pretty happy. So look for gameplay of me and him playing some games together on his PS3 before he gets it back, which will be after Halloween. And then once he gets his back, I'll probably try and get back to Last of Us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so happy I have an Xbox with an eject button that works. See you guys in the next gameplay video, which should be later today. Hopefully. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Stay awesome.